How to blur a photo in story on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, what you need to do is simply launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now select on the Your Story option at the top left corner of the screen. You can select any of the pictures over here. I'm going to select a random one, and as you do that, select on the draw option at the right side of the screen. Make a long press on the picture over here for the blurring for a while, and now you can simply draw over here. Now you can just draw, and let's select any colors, and you can simply select any of the colors over here and just remove it. You can intensify the brush as well, and you can simply erase the part that you want to show and let it remain blur for the part that you do not want to be seen. So let's just keep it like this and then tap on the check mark, and there you go. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.